Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install VirtualBox on a Mac device. Now I'm gonna be installing this on MacBook Pro, and this is based on an M1 chip. So let's go ahead and see how we can install VirtualBox on this machine. Now the first thing we'll need to do is to download VirtualBox, which should be a free download. We'll open a browser. I'm gonna use Safari here, and then we'll search for VirtualBox download. Okay, we'll go to virtualbox.org. Here you'll see there's different packages based on the OS or operating system we're running. In our case, it's an Apple M1 chip, so we want to go with this option. Now, if you're running an older version of Mac, you might need to install this. So for me, I'm gonna go with this. So I'll click on this, and the download should begin. And it's a .dmg file. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna minimize this browser here. So under our downloads, we should see the file, the .dmg file here. Now to install it, all we have to do is click on the file. So double click on the file, and you'll get this pop-up window here. Now it says here the first step is to double click on the icon. So this icon, we can double click on it. And this is the installer right here. It's gonna give you an introduction. It's gonna show you the version. So the version of VirtualBox is 7.2.6 and it's for macOS. We'll click on continue. It's asking if you wanna install for all users. Okay, that's what I wanna do. And it just tells you the amount of space it's gonna require. Okay, click continue. Again, it tells you the space. It gives you an option to change the installation and location. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to click on install. Here you'll need to put in your password. And the installation is successful. Now we can just close this window, and we can go ahead and move the, now here it's giving you the option to move the installer to the trash. Since you're not going to need it anymore, we can move it to trash. Okay, we'll go ahead and close this. Now to open VirtualBox, all we have to do is open the launchpad and then search for VirtualBox here. And there it is. Just click on it to open it. And there you are. Now with this, we can install virtual machines. We can install Linux-based virtual machines. We can install Windows-based virtual machines as long as we have the ISO image. We just have to click on new, and then here you'll name your virtual machine and select the folder where you want to install this virtual machine. And then you select the ISO image and set up all these different settings to continue with the installation. Okay, so that's all for this video. That's how you can install VirtualBox on a Mac device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.